In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically and easily blur the background in Premiere Pro. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So I have this video right here where I want to blur the background. So firstly, we're going to go to the effects panel. You can find it right here, or maybe you have it at the right. If you can't find it, go to Window and click Effects. Now we are going to search for Gaussian blur and drag and drop this effect onto the clip. Now we need to create a mask for the object or the person. So go to this tool right here. You can find it at the toolbar. If you don't have your toolbar visible, go to Window and click Tools at the bottom. And if you still can't see the mask tool, maybe you have an older Premiere Pro version, so you might find it on the Effect Controls panel. So you should see an icon right here. So we are going to long press this icon right here and select Object Mask Tool. So after this, just click the object you want to mask. In my case, it's this person, and Premiere will automatically create a mask for this object. So after this, we are going to track the object. So click this icon on the tracker. So this way it will begin tracking the object through all the clip. This will only take a few seconds, and after it has finished, we can go to the mask and drag and drop it inside the Gaussian blur effect in case it's not there already. So this way we will apply the effect to the mask. And if you want to increase the blurriness, just search for amount or blurriness depending on your Premiere Pro version. And now as you can see, the person or the object is blurred. So we want to invert this to blur the background instead. So just click this option, invert it, and this will automatically blur the background and keep the object visible. So that's it. That's how you can blur the background in Premiere Pro. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.